Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to For the Love of Running. It's great to be on your screens again. Sorry I missed last week. I was away for work in Roxby Downs, no park runs out there, plus I'm working. So yeah, bit of a bummer. And this morning we were actually going to be down doing the new Myponga Reservoir park run, but Kelly's on call, so unfortunately that can't happen. But we're doing one close to home at the moment. We're doing one that is in Adelaide, not the centre, but close to it. It is the Pakapakanthi Parkrun, and pretty happy about our choice this morning because it's absolutely beautiful out here. The course is, well, let's be honest, the course is always interesting, always changing, because over there you've got like where we do like the COVID testing and all that sort of stuff, which always changes what the course is. So my biggest recommendation is, if it's your first time running Pakapakanthi, or even your second or your third or whatever, the course might have changed. So give yourself plenty of time to get to the runners briefing each and every week, just so you know what the course is. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to do a bit of a warm-up, guys. Let's hit it, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, we'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, that's what Pakapakanthi Parkrun has to offer, and yeah, look, it was a really beautiful morning. One of my favourite things about this course is the fact that there's a lot of wide open paths when you get out sort of into the centre here. Even that main path where you start, it's a lot wider than a lot of other courses. So, and they do get a lot of fast people here, so it's pretty easy to push the pace. The record here is by Riley Cox, like the male record, and that's like a low 14 minute or something ridiculous. I think it might even be the Australian male parkrun record. But yeah, anyway guys, if you haven't been down to Pakapakanthi Parkrun before in Adelaide, that's probably, hopefully this is a good reason why you should come down. It's yeah, ridiculously beautiful, and yeah, that COVID line has made things difficult for them, so kudos to them for still getting a lot of numbers and still running this every week. So anyway guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys all at the next parkrun.